to Spoiled by Coco. My name is Apurvi and in this channel I share with you eggless recipes. In this festive edit, I'm going to share recipes with you that are inspired from either Indian sweets or Indian snacks. Today we are taking our inspiration from Mathura ka Peda. Mathura is a city in Uttar Pradesh and this peda is quite delicious and is very easy to make. So taking inspiration from Mathura ka Peda, we are going to make Mawa Cookie Cake with Mathura ka Peda insert. So let's get baking. Let us start with Mathura ka Peda. For that, in a pan take 18 gram ghee, that is clarified butter. Swirl the pan around to coat it well. Then add 128 gram milk powder and roast it on low flame as the bottom layer can burn easily. After it has roasted well to light brown to brown color, add 62 ml milk and mix slightly. Then add 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder and 55 gram of castor sugar. Mix everything well together. Once it starts leaving the pan and has a loose dough-like consistency, transfer the peda in a pre-lined mold. Here I am using a 6-inch square mold whose side I have greased with ghee and keep over a silicone mat or baking paper. Flatten the peda dough with the spatula to achieve a flat and smooth surface. Cover with a foil or cling film and refrigerate till use. Now let us make our Mawa cookie cake dough. For that, in a bowl take 65 gram butter, 50 gram each castor and brown sugar. Cream them together only until sugar has mixed completely. We do not have to beat it till light and fluffy like for cakes. Add 60 gram unsweetened mawa or khoya, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder and mix till your mawa is well incorporated and keep aside. In another bowl, add all the dry ingredients starting with 108 gram of whole wheat flour, 35 gram almond flour, 14 gram cornflour, half teaspoon baking powder and 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix everything. In a bowl I have taken 50 to 60 gram of chopped nuts. I have used almonds, pistachio and cashew. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of dry ingredients in it and mix. This helps prevent the nuts from sinking while baking. Now add the dry ingredients in the cream, butter and sugar mixture and mix gently with spatula. Add nuts in it. Lastly, add 20 to 30 ml of milk and mix to form a dough. Add milk in part depending on your requirement. Here I am using a 4-inch round cake ring whose side I have greased with ghee. You can also use oil or butter. Keep it over a baking paper or a silicone mat and scoop out cookie dough with the help of a spoon. Spread it and press it gently. For the insert, let us take out our prepared peda from refrigerator. Using a palette knife, loose the sides and carefully remove the mold. Now using a smaller cookie cutter than your cake mold, cut the peda disc. I have used a 2-inch cookie cutter. Place the peda in the middle. Now fill the sides and cover the top with cookie dough. Our cookie cake is ready to bake. I am also going to show you using a cake tin. Use one with removable base. Likewise, arrange the cookie cake with cookie dough at the bottom, middle insert of peda disc and more cookie dough on sides and top. Bake this in a preheated oven at 180°C for 12 to 14 minutes. You can also chill them for 15 minutes before baking. I am keeping another round ring over my ring mold so that our cookie cake does not break when it rises while baking. Please give a video a thumbs up if you have liked it. Also subscribe to my channel and do not forget to turn on the bell icon so that you can get notified each time I share a new recipe. They are done, let them cool slightly. Remove the ring at top first and carefully transfer it on a wire rack to completely cool down. Garnishing, I am going to pipe my hazelnut and almond praline. I have already shared their recipe on my channel. You can find the link in the description box below. Next, I have cut squares of my leftover peda and I am going to use them to garnish. Lastly, some caramelized nuts. I'll post the link in the description box below. Lastly, let us cut a slice of our cake and see the layers. Look how delicious and beautiful it looks. Mathura ka peda stuffed inside Mawa cookie. Thank you for watching Spoiled by Coco.